In this video, we're going to go over how to add your own recipe to Strongr Fastr in order to track it. So you're on your home screen, you're going to press the blue plus button down on the bottom right corner. You're going to select Other Food, which is the middle blue button. Now you've got some options here across the top bar. You will select Recipes, and we're going to create a new recipe. You need to name your recipe. Put in the number of total servings that the recipe creates, and then you're going to select Add Ingredients and start adding your ingredients. Once you have all of your ingredients entered, you're going to go back and look at your full recipe. Do double check and make sure that the calories, protein, fats, and carbs all make sense. If you need to make any edits, you can do that from the screen. Once everything looks good and you're happy with it, select Next. You can put in other instructions like cooking instructions if you like, but that is not mandatory. Select whether it's a main or a side dish, and then select the appropriate meal. This can be used as a standalone, as in it doesn't need anything else as a side dish, and automatically add it to your favorites. You can also upload an image if you like. Once you are happy with everything on this page, press Confirm. Now, in order to put that meal into your plan, since we already have a meal plan here, we're going to go to Meal Plan, and then we're going to go ahead, because this is a breakfast, we're going to go ahead and swap. And I'm going to go ahead and swap it for Monday through Friday. We're going to say Find Replacement. And then in order to find that recipe you just entered in, go to my favorites, My Recipes. And then here you can see that you have your recipe right here. Just go ahead and select that. And now you can see it's been entered into all of those meals that we selected for.